Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on our brand new sticker albums. I am so excited. They're actually going to be launching today. So you're going to see me unbox everything, pack everything up, and show you all of the different cover choices that I've been working on. So let's turn you guys around and get started. Oh my gosh guys, I am so happy with how these came out. Aren't they so pretty? So these are going to be the covers for the sticker albums. I got the gold logo on the back here, and what if you turn it around? It's actually like a rose gold on the inside. So you can actually leave it like that if you want to use the rose gold disc, or turn it around if you want to use the gold disc. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. I didn't even know that. What a nice little bonus. So I don't have a ton of these with the logo on it. I do have a lot more that are just clear without the logo because I will be doing some fun covers for it, but these ones are going to be pretty Alright, so all of the covers are designed and ready to go. If you follow me on Instagram, then you probably have already seen these sneak peeks. One of my friends and customers, Catherine, she reached out to me during the last collection launch of our Sun and Moon collection because we haven't had any new sticker album covers because I've been holding off to make them for our brand new sticker album. So these are actually going to be exclusive for our B6 disc system. So there's going to be 3 different cover choices that you can choose from besides the clear cover. So the sunrise here, I paired it with the gold disc because I just think that they look so beautiful together, right? Gold and the sunrise. And then also the sun and moon, and I thought that the rose gold went really well with this cover. So pretty. And then the last one is changes, like the tree of life. Isn't that gorgeous? And this one I paired with the clear disc. Now you can get all of these separate in the shop. These are not actually bundled, so you can decide what cover, what disc you like. But there will be one sticker bundle available in the shop that is going to be a clear cover with the Bolderbon logo, clear disc, 1 set of dividers, a pouch, and a set of 20 double-sided sticker paper, and you can create your own sticker album. Oh my gosh, so exciting. You can see I have already been playing around with building my own. Alright, Patty and I are going to wrap it up for the night. She just had her dinner and I'm about to go have mine. I'd love to know down below if you guys had a favorite cover, the sunrise, changes, sun and moon, or if you guys are just going to keep it clear with the Bolderbon logo. Definitely let me know down below. If you guys enjoyed these videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!